Hello! So today we're going to talk a little bit about SEO, about a plugin that we're calling Rankmath. So when you do your blogs, you might want to make them search engine optimized, which is absolutely fine. We've put in a plugin to the back end, so just a little helper in here to make that easier for you. So as you can see, we've gone into the dashboard and clicked on posts. And within the blog posts, you'll see over this side SEO details NA. That's because we've not set up. So, say we're going to do it for this test one we did last time. So we're going to open this up, blog tests, and it should load. Now in the top corner here, you'll see a little thing for Rankmath, and it's got a score out of 100. So the closer it is to 100, the more search engine optimized it is. So we're going to click on that. Now it's nice and easy. What we're going to do is pick in, fill in the bits as we go, and it tells you what to do. So focus keyword, so let's say our focus keyword is going to be blog. Now immediately you see that's gone to 61 because blog is in our title here. So that's what we've done for, and you can add in some extra ones to niche that down for your focus keyword. Now here, what you can see is in the basic SEO. So there's two errors. So, hooray, you're using the focus in your title. And then the first error says focus keyword is not in your SEO meta description. So you can add that in. Your content is 108 words long. Consider using at least 600 words. So that gives you some errors there. And then there's some additional ones. So you can go through these here and just fix each of them as they go. And as you fix each thing, what you're going to do is see that score at the top here go up. And if you're ever unsure what they are, there's a little question mark, and you can add in there to see what has happened. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can edit your snippet here as well. So this is when you search for something, you'll find on, say, Google, and you'll find the website, and then there's a little bit of information underneath it as to say what that is. That's what this is, where it says edit snippet. So as you can see, I've just put, there's just some letters in there, but you can edit that here. And you can just put, okay, so I'm going to call it, this is my blog post snippet, for example, on lettered light. Okay. So that's that in there, so you can do that. And it does give you some advice here. So they advise it to be 346 minimum. So obviously you put some more information in there. So if I okay, so that's too many now. So let's see how many. So that's 1052. There's 526. So you can see this has got better. So it depends on the quality. The better quality stuff you put in there, the more it's going to give you as options. And there's lots of options here. So yeah, fill that in, get it looking right the way you would like it. If it is being shared on social media, then it gives you an example of what that looks like as well. So you can do the same there, and then that one. So here we go. So yeah, this is how you do it. You're going to up that score, try and get it as high to 100 as possible. So take your time, work your way through it. If it's not coming together, maybe you want to look at a different keyword. If, of course, you're not sure what a keyword is, or you're not sure how to go forward with finding keywords, etc. We do have some examples of that on our YouTube, so please do have a look at our buttered chats and you'll find some options there of what things are and do a little bit more explaining. But I hope that gives you a start to try and make your blogs as SEO compatible as possible.